Question number 261. Which storage option should you choose if you need the absolute highest performance, regardless of the cost, for intense workloads like SAP HANA or transaction-heavy applications? Option A, Ultra Disk. Option B, Standard HDDs. Option C, Premium SSDs. Option D, Standard SSDs. The correct answer is option A, Ultra Disk. Azure Ultra Disk are designed to deliver the highest performance in terms of input-output operations per second, IOPS, throughput, and latency. They are ideal for intensive workloads like SAP HANA, high-performance databases, and transaction-heavy applications where performance is critical and cost is less of a concern. Question number 262. Which of the following is not a key aspect of predictability in Azure? Option A, scalability. Option B, cost optimization. Option C, consistent performance. Option D, fault tolerance. The correct answer is option D, fault tolerance. Fault tolerance relates to reliability and availability, ensuring systems continue operating even if components fail. It is not directly a key aspect of predictability, which focuses more on consistent performance, scalability, and cost optimization to ensure you can anticipate how your applications and services will behave and how much they will cost. Question number 263. What is a key benefit of the consumption-based model in cloud computing? Option A, long-term contract. Option B, upfront hardware purchases. Option C, fixed monthly cost. Option D, pay-as-you-go pricing. The correct answer is option D, pay-as-you-go pricing. Key benefit of the consumption-based model in cloud computing is that you only pay for the resources you actually use. This pay-as-you-go approach helps businesses avoid large upfront costs and scale their spending with your actual needs. Question number 264. Which of the following is not a core component of Azure's reliability strategy? Option A, performance. Option B, availability. Option C, fault tolerance. Option D, redundancy. The correct answer is option A, performance. While performance is important in Azure services, it is not a core component of Azure's reliability strategy. Azure's reliability strategy primarily focuses on availability, fault tolerance, and redundancy to ensure that services remain operational and resilient in the face of failures. Question number 265. Which of the following qualities is unique to private cloud? Option A, a cloud infrastructure dedicated to a single organization, managed either by the organization itself or by a third-party provider. Option B, the virtual network is not accessible from the public internet. Option C, an application that uses a network security group, firewall, distributed denial of service protection, and other network security methods. Option D. Anyone can sign up using a credit card. The correct answer is option A. A cloud infrastructure dedicated to a single organization, managed either by the organization itself or by a third-party provider. This quality is unique to private cloud, as it is designed to provide exclusive resources and infrastructure to a single organization, offering greater control, customization, and security. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 266. In which storage redundancy option does Azure give you a secondary endpoint for read-only access? Option A, RAGRS. Option B, ZRS. Option C, LRS. Option D, GRS. The correct answer is option A, RAGRS. RAGRS not only replicates your data across two geographically separated regions like GRS, but also provides a secondary read-only endpoint, allowing you to read from the secondary region if needed. This is useful for scenarios where you want high availability and disaster recovery capabilities. Question number 267. How does data transfer between Azure regions impact cost? Option A. It's charged based on the destination region only. Option B. It's charged based on the source region only. Option C. It's always free regardless of the distance. Option D. It's charged based on the amount of data transferred and the distance. The correct answer is option D. It's charged based on the amount of data transferred and the distance. When you transfer data between Azure regions, it typically incurs egress charges, data leaving a region, and the cost depends on how much data is transferred and which regions are involved. Some region pairs may have lower rates if they are closer or have special pricing arrangements. Question number 268. What is the primary benefit of using Microsoft Entra conditional access? Option A. Improved user experience. Option B. Reduce reliance on passwords. Option C. Simplified user authentication. Option D. Enhance security by limiting access to authorized users and devices. The correct answer is option D. Enhance security by limiting access to authorized users and devices. Microsoft Entra conditional access is primarily used to enforce granular access controls based on specific conditions such as user location, device compliance, risk level, and more. This helps organizations securely control access to resources by allowing only trusted users and devices under defined conditions. Question number 269. What is the primary benefit of using PaaS compared to IaaS? Option A. greater flexibility. Option B, lower cost. Option C, reduce development time. Option D, increased control over the infrastructure. The correct answer is option C, reduce development time. The primary benefit of Platform as a Service PaaS compared to Infrastructure as a Service IaaS is that it reduces development time. PaaS provides a pre-configured environment with tools, frameworks, and services that developers can use to build, test, and deploy applications more efficiently without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. Question number 270. Fill in the blank. Blank space stores data offline and offers the lowest storage cost. Option A, cool access. Option B, cold access. Option C, hot access. Option D, archive storage. The correct answer is option D, archive storage. Archive storage is designed to store data offline and offers the lowest storage cost, making it ideal for data that is rarely accessed but needs to be retained for long-term storage.